In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate distractions in Obsidian. If you've ever opened a note intending to write and then gotten lost in panels, buttons, and notifications, this walkthrough is for you. Obsidian has powerful built-in options, plus a few lightweight plugins and a bit of CSS that can transform your workspace into a calm, focused writing environment. Start with the core features. Open settings, go to editor, and enable Zen mode. You can toggle it on the fly with Command or Control and the slash key. This hides ribbons, the status bar, and other visual noise so your note takes center stage. Next, use Command or Control with the minus key to zoom out slightly. That subtle change gives your editor more breathing room and helps the text feel full width without changing your actual font size. Collapse your sidebars to remove even more clutter. The quickest way is Command or Control plus B to toggle the left sidebar. Close the search panel too if you don't need it right now. The goal is a single, clear canvas. For deeper focus, install a few community plugins. In Settings, open Community Plugins and search for Focus Mode. Once installed, you can toggle it with Command or Control Alt and Z. It fades inactive lines and hides panels, which naturally draws your eyes to the sentence you're writing. If you want to strip the interface even further, try the Zen plugin, which can selectively disable elements like backlinks while you work. For a smooth writing experience, add typewriter scroll so the cursor stays centered, reducing head and eye movement during long sessions. You can reinforce this with a tiny CSS snippet. Go to Settings, Appearance, and then CSS Snippets. Create a new snippet and paste this line. Focus mode.cm line on not CM active to opacity 0.3. Important. Enable the snippet, and when paired with focus mode, your current line stands out with a typewriter-style emphasis while everything else gently recedes. Round it out with a few workflow tweaks. Pin your essential notes to the sidebar for quick access and close any tabs you're not actively using. When it's time to review rather than write, switch to Reading View with Command or Control plus E for a distraction-free preview of your work. Finally, disable Obsidian notifications you don't need and pair your session with your system's Do Not Disturb so your focus isn't broken by pings from outside the app. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.